Assalamu alaikum, dears. Remember when we spoke about what we do every day? We used the verb plus S. We said that he, she, it love the verb plus S. I say, I play after I finish homework every day. And he plays after he finishes his homework every day. This is what we learned before. So, we learn it when we speak about what we do every day, which is called habit, and facts. The board is white. This is a fact. Nobody will say, no, it's green. When I say the sun rises in the east, nobody will say, no. So, this is a fact. It doesn't change. And habit, what we do every day. So when we speak about habit or facts, we use the verb as it is with I, you, we, they, and he, she, it love the verb plus S or ES or IES, the spelling changes. But today we will learn some key words, key words. When we see them in the sentence, we know that we will use the verb as it is with I, you, we, they, and we will add S with he, she, it. What are these words and what are they called? These words, we will learn them in a rhyme. We will learn them in a rhyme. In a rhyme. Okay, to make it easy to remember. To make it easy to remember. What are these key words? Always, usually, sometimes. Always, usually, sometimes. Often, rarely, never. Often, rarely, never. Again. Always, usually, sometimes.
Often, rarely, never.
Often, rarely, never. Always, usually, sometimes. Often, rarely, never. Repeat after me. Always, usually, sometimes. Often, rarely, never. Always, usually, sometimes. Often, rarely, never. These words are called adverbs of frequency. What is the meaning of that? How frequent, how many times do you do the action? Again, how many times you do the action? Let's make it in a very easy way. Let me test you. How many days in 1 week? Yes, 7 days in 1 week. Again, 7 days in 1 week. When I say, I always drink milk. I always drink milk. This means I drink it 7 days a week. I drink it 7 days a week. I drink it every day. So always means every day. 7 days a week. When I say I usually drink milk, this means that I drink it 6 days. I drink it 6 days a week. So only 1 day I don't drink it. When I say I often drink milk, this means I drink it 5 or 4 days. 5 or 4 days a week. When I say I sometimes, in the middle, sometimes, so it's 3 times or 4 times a week I drink it. I rarely means a 1 time. I don't like it very much, so 1 day I drink it because mom says it's healthy. When I say I never drink milk, this means I drink it 0 days. I don't drink it at all. This means I hate it. I hate it. So these are the meanings of adverbs of frequency. Again, adverbs of frequency. These are key words. When I see them in the sentence, I know that I will use the verb as it is with I, you, we, they, and with he, she, it, I add S. I add S. Okay, again, let's remember them, how to learn them in a rhyme. Always, usually, sometimes. Always, usually, sometimes. Often, rarely, never. Often, rarely, never. Let's read the examples and see where do we put it in the sentence. At the beginning, in the middle, at the end, before the verb. Where exactly? He always drinks milk. Haha. Did you notice here? He drinks milk. Why? Because I have always. He always drinks milk. He always drinks milk. So, he usually walks to school. He usually walks to school. But one day he is 6 days he go on foot, and one day, for example, if he is late, he will go by car or by taxi. So he usually walks to school. I often help mom in the housework. I often, take care, the T is silent. I often help mom. I take the verb as it is, but he loves the verb plus S. They sometimes read stories. She rarely drinks coffee. This means she doesn't like it very much. And remember, she loves the verb plus S. We never drink coffee. This means we hate it. We hate it. But look here. He is always happy. He is always happy. What did you notice here? Mom is always busy. Mom is always busy. She has a lot of things to do all the time. Mom is always busy. Where did we put always, usually, sometimes, often, rarely, never? In all the examples here, we put it before the verb. We put it before the verb. He always drinks. He always drinks. Not he drinks always. These are the words of a crazy man. He usually walks. Not he walks usually. Okay. But here, when I have am or is or are, we call it verb to be, we put the adverbs of frequency where? After verb to be. Mom is always busy. Mom is always busy. So, adverbs of frequency, always, usually, sometimes, often, rarely, never, we put them before the verb, but after verb to be, which means am or is or are. Wish you got it, and you will have lots of practice to do in your Spotlight book. Goodbye.